Hello guys, and this is Donzia, and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can locate any center you want to register your NIN. I mean, if you want to do fresh NIN enrollment, especially for Nigerian that are in abroad, I mean Nigerian in diaspora. So this video is for you, and if you're also Nigerian in Nigeria, you can also check this out. But mainly this video will benefit people, Nigerians that are in abroad, overseas, diaspora, because of the issue of locating NIMC accredited center in abroad. So that's why this video is made. If this video is one of the video you are going to be interested in, do well to watch it to the end, subscribe to the video, share and comment. I'm going to see you at the end. So you will come to your Chrome browser. Once you come to your Chrome browser, either on your phone or on your PC, you can use any one of these two. So come to your Chrome browser and enter this address right here. The address is going to be pasted leave in the description box of this video below, as you can see right here. So let me put it in desktop mode. As you can see right here, that this is the address. So now once this address upload, I'm now going to choose a country. I'm going to select a country. For example, I will select, let me select United States of America. So now under United States of America, as you can see that 176 location, there are 176 location near me. So all you have to do is to go to the nearest location that is close to you, that is close to your city that you are in abroad. Yeah, and also call the number that is showing right here. So you can also call the number that is showing right here, and you see it, the number. You can also call the number that is showing right here, or you email them. So that is it. It's very easy to locate the center that are in abroad. So, or let me choose another location, probably Manchester United. Or wait, I'm just okay. Yes, let me just choose J- Germany. No, not Ghana. I don't want to choose Ghana. Germany. Yes. Now, as you can see, in Germany, we have 18 locations that are near me in Germany. If you are in Germany, so it will be showing 18 locations for you. So all you have to do is to go to one of the locations that is close to you. As you can see, go to one of the locations, scroll down, go to the location that is near you, book an appointment with them, and you will be able to enroll for your NIN. Note that this is going to be a physical something, like you have to be there physically. They are going to capture you, capture your face and your finger, which is your biometric, and you will be given an enrollment slip. So they will now give you an appointment to come collect your original slip that contain your NIN number, so that have your NIN number. So that is it. Now this is for enrollment. Now if you want to do modifications, which is correction of probably name, date of birth, phone number or address, even if it's gender, whether you are in abroad or I'm happy to tell you that this is something I can do for you, and I can help you to do it remotely, regardless of anywhere you are in the country, whether you are in Nigeria or you are in abroad. You can just chat me up on the link that is pasted in the description box below. So chat me up and I'll be able to help you out in getting your modification done. So if you have any questions to ask, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below and I will answer it to my best knowledge. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out.